In this video, I'll show you how to find cheaper gas using GasBuddy. GasBuddy is a tool that helps you compare fuel prices at different gas stations near you, so you can quickly find the cheapest option. I'm using a laptop, so I will go directly to the website. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open any browser of your choice, then search GasBuddy.com. You don't really need to download anything if you're using a laptop or a computer. You can just use it directly in your browser. But if you're using a phone, you can download the app from your app store if it's available in your region, of course, or just use the website to make it simple. What you're gonna need to do next is create an account, then log into it. Once you're logged in, go to home page, then go to the Find Gas section here. Here you can search in different ways, like by city, by state and province, and also by brand. Enter your location to see gas stations near you. Here you can scroll down to compare prices and see which stations are cheaper. You can also choose the lowest price or maybe pick one that's closer to you. If you click on a station here, you can see more details like price updates and also location. Make sure you always check how recent the price update is and also compare a few stations before choosing. And that's how you can find cheaper gas using GasBuddy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.